The Nigerian police don't want to say they no go tolerate any disobedience of law and order for the country. As a matter of fact, police don't deploy men around the country. Make you be say, and this kind of thing, innocent people they suffer. For you to see say I can't do this video for night. For you to see say I come here for night, can't do video, give you update, make you say the matter is serious. In as much as say we dey try to air our view, we go still the advice because we are lovers of peace. I go see this one news wey just come out this night. I no even feel wait for tomorrow before I give you the news. So I want give you this night. Make you dey aware of wetin dey happen for the country. You know that there is a 2 days warning strike going on for Nigeria. NLC don't take 2 days warning strike, and in the course of the strike, bank joined them for the strike. As the banks joined them for the strike, AEDC can't join for the strike. That's why people where they live for Abuja today, they complain, say they don't know what happen, light no day. So the reason where light no day be say AEDC touch say don't release statement, say they no say people for Abuja they worry, say light no day. Say make them no worry, make them make use of the strike. They want join NLC for the strike. That's why they shut down power for Abuja. Now, the AEDC, they advise, say, during these 2 days warning strike, because it will continue tomorrow, say, make you unplug all your appliances. Make you maybe say the time when they're going to stop power, and at that time your TV go below because you leave on. Unplug all your appliances, off the AC and everything. I say, make I tell you now. Because if I don't give you the update, who will give you? Share the video. Share this video, make people they aware what is happen for the country. Now, if you look your screen, you go see these people. This men where you see, now them be the judges where go take charge of tomorrow at the presidential election tribunal. Now them be the judges where go give judgment for tomorrow. I say make I bring them to una notice because some of us don't know say that these people now go judge the matter tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow night be the D-Day for that judgment where we done the shout say this one, that one. Now tomorrow they want to do the judgment. So from your own experience, from your own thought, from your own inner mind, who you think say among these three people the judgment go people? Go to comment section now. May you go tell me who you think say go win the case tomorrow among these three men where you they see for the screen. Again, another update where I dey bring for una. In as much as say we dey try to air our opinion and we dey try to fight for our rights, I want beg una. Anything where we dey do, make we try do am peacefully and make we dey careful. The Nigerian police don't want to say they no go tolerate any disobedience of law and order for the country. As a matter of fact, police don't deploy men around the country. Make be say, and this kind of thing, innocent people they suffer. So I go advise tomorrow, if you not get anything what you do, sit down for your house. Sit down for your house. If you not get what you want go do for outside, sit down for inside your house. I say make I tell you now, what's come to us, then give judgment. Whoever wins the case tomorrow, he don't win the case. Who know they satisfied with the case, with how they judge the case? The person, Premi Palano, said the person get chance to go Supreme Court, go still fight the case for Supreme Court. This one where they want to in tribunal is not the over, over for a year. He still be go Supreme Court, go fight the case further. So whatever the case may be, make we try there peaceful. See what things that happen for other country. They're not there in peace. You don't see them now. See Guinea-Bissau now, the president no peace sleep. Since where these schools that happen for other African country, in no peace sleep, in don't build up security. Yeah, when you don't create awareness, you don't tighten insecurity to avoid any coup. Even stingy men, they don't want to down for the power. He wants it down for there by force. Anyways, I say make I let una know. Share the video so that everybody go there aware. Please, all the states for Nigeria, tomorrow night is a judgment for court. If you not get anything to do, stay for your house. If you get for mind, say you want to do bad thing for the country, police there everywhere. Respect yourself. This country not there what your blood oh. No go say you want go fight for Peter Obi, or you want go fight for Atiku, or you want go fight for Tinubu. They no go fight for you. Sit down for your house if you not get what to do. If the judgment happen tomorrow, me I go just come tell una. I go just his because I know the country already. This country, if you know somebody, you're not supposed to best for the person. If the person do something, leave him. You don't know the person already. I know the country, so I know the best. That's why I not get voters card. Why I go vote? When we say if I vote, now best I go best. Why I go the vote? So I know the country. That's why I never want to do anything. Sit down for your house. We are lover of peace. Me, I like peace. So I beg, work with them, hustle our things small, get our small money. I beg. Even as I they try to advise, make we dey peaceful. Every time they go still say I don't get sense. I agree. You don't ever see me there and you say I get sense. I don't get sense now. Senseless man now I be. But I am the spice creator. Now me be the spice creator now. Tomorrow come, make una stay tuned. I go still give una update on how the judgment go. Google me or if you like. Now you sabi if you don't want Google me.